Hello. Today's short video will explain Zotero, a free open source citation tool. This video will explain the essential information needed to set up Zotero, create and add resources to your collection of citations, organize citations in folders, create in-text citations in your Word document, and create your list of references using the citations you have stored in Zotero. The first thing you need to do is download and install the software connector and add the appropriate browser plugin. Please note, Internet Explorer and Safari are not recommended browsers. You will want to use Firefox or Chrome. Once you will open up your browser, you will navigate to the Medical Library Subject Guide page in Pike Notes. Go to Staff Resources on the toolbar at the top, click on Medical Library tab on the left, and Subject Guides on the right. On this page, scroll down to the link Getting Started Here. Under Learn About Zotero, the first 3 links contain all you need to create and use this citation tool. The first link takes you to zotero.org, where you create an account with Zotero, allowing you to create groups, post to forums, and sync your desktop or local version of Zotero to the web account. The second link, Documentation for Zotero, takes you to zotero.org, and the third link, Getting Started with Zotero, links to the Harvard Library Research Guide, a detailed handout with installation steps and screenshots. Follow each step in order and set up your preferences exactly as stated in the handout. After the installation is complete, go to the local version of Zotero on your desktop and proceed to create folders for each of your projects. If you need to create a subfolder, just right-click on the folder and add it. My Library is a collection of everything you've imported. When My Library is selected, you will see a directory of all articles in your library listed in the middle of the page. When an article is selected, a detailed citation for the article appears on the right. Notice the folder where this article resides turns yellow, reminding you which project the article is for. You can manually edit the citation if you need to revise it. It's best to make revisions of the citations in Zotero rather than in your bibliography. You can manually delete duplicate citations by right-clicking on one and deleting, or select both, right-click, and merge. When you are doing research for your paper, Zotero allows you to easily pull in resources into Zotero in bulk or individually from resources such as Harvard's catalog Hollis, EBSCO databases, PubMed, Google Scholar, and other websites. The connector and plugin you have installed enable Zotero to recognize citations in PDFs if they're available. When viewing an individual book record in Hollis, Zotero displays a small blue book icon near the address bar. Click on that icon to save the book to Zotero. The book icon will turn into a folder when multiple items are selected. After you have saved multiple articles from PubMed's clipboard or folders in EBSCO's databases, you export them directly into Zotero. They will automatically be saved in the folder that was most recently selected. When you are in a Word document writing your paper and ready to insert a citation, place the cursor where you want to add the citation, select and activate the Zotero tab from the toolbar in Word, click Add Edit Citation button, which appears in the upper left, choose the format style for your reference, and add it. When you are ready to create your works cited or references, insert a page break, center it, and click on the Zotero Add Edit Bibliography button. Zotero will insert a fully formatted, alphabetized bibliography of all references cited in your document using the citation style you had previously chosen. This has been a very short introduction to Zotero Citation Manager. Feel free to consult the Harvard Library Research Guide, Getting Started with Zotero, the zotero.org documentation page, or contact me with any comments or questions you may have while using Zotero. Thank you.